Okay, so one thing I think you should have in your first aid kit uh, is this. It's one of these things. Let me get the thing off. But yeah, what this does, had this for my surgery. What it does is you see it has it okay, right here. Okay, let me just show you this real quick. Right here is this thing right here, right? Well, like right here to here, you wrap. Say okay, I have nosebleed. You have someone with a nosebleed. You wrap it, right? Or have you been on like say like that? And what you do is you can get these on Amazon, by the way. What you do is you do this. Have the person do this and do this. What it does is it catches the blood that is dripping from the nose. You can buy these on Amazon, by the way. Yeah. This thing, when I got my surgery for my polyp removal, this thing was a godsend. Okay? Godsend. Straight up. I recommend it. It really helped. Let me see what they're called. I'm gonna go on Amazon real quick. This is God. What my Z was. It's a nose gauze holder. Okay. Um, really nice. Okay. Like the one that I have. This one. Yeah. Usually you get that one, but yeah, that's what that is. It's honestly, uh, really nice. Actually, I would recommend it. I would recommend it. I'm gonna get me a lot of them so I can actually put them into my first aid kits. This is something that you should definitely prep and have in your first aid kits. Um, I looked up nose gauze holder. Okay, I don't know what it's officially called, but uh, but yeah, I'm trying to find a crap ton of them, like what I have. Those really helped. Literally, you put the gauze in, and what it does is like right here, right? And you have blood, it catches it and absorbs it, which is flipping cool. Now, the one I have is this one. And yes, this is how it goes. Because what it's meant to do, because if it's like this, it's like, well, you can't really get, because this is adjustable right here. That's adjustable, because that is, I recommend it. This really helped when I was um, recovering from nasal polyp surgery. Um, I wouldn't get because literally the thing that's like is the nose plugs. You don't want that. You want the ones with the. You could get the nose plugs also, but it's really easy to get the one that's because it goes around the ear. If you're bleeding, jips. So yeah, that's something I recommend for the. Um, I had put this on the case. Okay, so I got the thing, but yeah, it. I recommend it. It's really nice. It's one that you get at the hospital. So yeah, anyway, recommended. Peace.